The gutter guards, I mean, aren't that effective in my opinion. Little rain, ain't enough to stop me though. I'm gonna get wet anyway. Pressure wash the house. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up too, y'all. I'm gonna leave this. It's easier to just do this. I do have a bucket. Thing is, the rain gonna wash that out. It's gonna rain on your head. I don't know what movie that was from. The Color Purple. I think it was. Almost got the backside finished up. Dang. I put my jacket on. I finished this backside. I'm going to do the driveway. Do the house. Come back to the gutters and finish that up. It's the craziest thing I've seen on these gutters. Anybody's gutters? Just frogs and spiders. I love this stuff. I've seen a lizard before. He just ran away from me. Frogs just stare at me. Spider run away too. Never use gloves, but they're in the car. I didn't get them. Yeah, I know. I thoroughly take a shower when I get finished with these jobs. Thoroughly, under my nails and everything. Now, Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get that a little bit. Backside done. It's raining, so the rain gonna rinse that out. It was high in it. Got some guts to do this job too. Are you scared of these heights? That's why people call me to do their gutters. Everybody ain't trying to get on a ladder. This got a little guard. These guards okay, but if you pay attention, let me move this out the way. Y'all can see stuff still get in there. So they're kind of good, they're kind of not. People ask me, and then they come off. You gotta keep getting them fixed. So, and I was just calling me to get them taken care of. So now, see, I can't get in there, and I want to take them off, and you gotta put them back. And I don't know how to in there construct it. But the rain real washed it out as much as possible. See, that drain's pretty clear. That's good. It's lucky there. I can't really. Let me see. I can lift this up, put it back. I can get that out. Yeah, it's the downfall of these, because sometimes you can't do this. Honestly, it get clogged up. It's real easy. The gutter guards, I mean, aren't that effective in my opinion. But you can just put them back down like this. But you still have to call somebody to clean them. So I don't understand the point of them. And I see some people get these houses where they're already up here, so they don't put them up here. They're kind of already there. People prior to them thought they were a good idea. I guess it was a hot commodity at one point, but I don't see the point in them. See what that side over there look like. Yep. Strength and guts to do this job. Like, this ladder is not light. It's this type of ladder I got. I want one of the ones that reach up to like 2 stories, so I can do 2-story homes. But those things like $230, which is not expensive, but I just haven't spent the money yet. But I will soon. I've seen a frog over here before. This is my 3rd time at this house, by the way. So I got a little frog friend. You gotta watch your hands, because these things here are sharp. Right here. How much time I got left?